Hey guys, it's me again. I just wanted to introduce you to a few people here who are going to tell you about our course and their initial impressions of the course. People who've actually been through the course, people who've actually started learning and engaging in the Facebook group and learning through the Facebook group of the course and who've actually been at it for a while now. And they're going to kind of tell you their thoughts on our products. They're going to tell you their thoughts on the course and what they've learned. So if you're not 100% sure about whether you should get this course or not, have a look at what these guys think. They're going to tell you probably more than I can tell you on what they've learned through this course. So just go check them out and have a look at some of the written testimonials down below. I'll just pass you on now.
Hi everyone, I just want to say that I love these presets. No matter what kind of picture I edit, one of them just fits perfectly. I personally use the sunset preset more often than the rest of them because the colors give me a special chill out vibe that's just appropriate to my editing style. If you just start with Lightroom, or even if you're more advanced, I really think that those presets will help you a lot by giving you a new perspective. To be honest, using this pack of presets made me feel like a more advanced Lightroom user, even though I'm not. When I bought them, I was a complete beginner in this matter, but they helped me understand the software and basically how lighting and color works overall. My opinion is that you should definitely check Matt's and Seb's websites and check out their amazingly crafted preset. They will give you a major plus in achieving that aesthetic look we all search for in our pictures. Have a nice day.
Hey guys, I wanted to share my thoughts on Matt and Seb's course. Starting off with limited knowledge in Lightroom and editing, it's amazing how much I've learned from just a few hours of tutorials. I've completely transformed my photos and edits. I 100% recommend their course. You won't regret it.
Hey guys, I remember finding Matt and Seb's YouTube channel months ago and thinking that I wanted to get into photo editing. So when they released their course, I jumped straight in. And I've come so far in such a short time. It's crazy how much they've packed into these tutorials. I love the free presets and their growing Facebook group of people, just like me, who are always willing to help. If you don't get this course, you will regret it. It's taught me so much that I'd never be able to learn just by watching YouTube tutorials. I love it.